Question number 9. Exercise number 4.4. The question is, show that the antibisectors of a triangle are concurrent. So if the antibisectors are concurrent means it must satisfy the condition of Sevian's theorem. Okay, so this is the triangle ABC. The set AD, BE and the CF are the bisectors of an angle A, B and C respectively. So to show BD by DC into CE by EA into AF by FB equal to 1. If it satisfies this condition, we can say the antibisectors of a triangle are concurrent. Right. So first term, in a triangle BOC, I am going to take this OD. This O is the point of concurrency and this OD is the bisector. OD is the bisector. If OD is the bisector means using anti-bisector theorem. So BD by DC equal to OB by OC by angle bisector theorem. Okay, so OB by OC, this OB by OC is equal to BD by DC. 1. Equation number 1. Like COA in triangle COA, this OE is the bisector. OE is the bisector. So OC by OA is equal to CE by EA by ABT. This CE, or you can write it OC by OA equal to CE by EA. This is 2. The third one, this triangle AOB. In a triangle AOB, this OF is the bisector. OF is the bisector. Okay, so by using angle bisector theorem, it can be written as AO by OB equal to AF by FB by ABT. AO by OB equal to AF by FB. This is 3. So product of 1, 2 and 3. Product of these 3. So first one OB by OC. The second one left hand side is OC by OA into third one OA. This AO can be written as OA by OB is equal to right hand side BD by DC into CE by EA into AF by FB. If you cancel this OB, OB, OA, OA, OC, OC, what do we get? BD by DC into CE by EA into AF by FB, which is equal to 1. If you cancel this, you can get the value 1. So BD by DC into C by EA into AF by FE equal to 1 means this AD and BE and CF are concurrent by Savoy's theorem. AD, BE and CF are concurrent. This AD, BE and CF are angle bisectors. Therefore, hence the angle bisectors of a triangle or concurrent. Hence it is proved. It is one of important 5-mark question we have done by using Savoy's theorem. Already I have written here to show BD by DC into CE by EA into AF by FE equal to 1. If it satisfies this, we can say the angle bisectors of a triangle are concurrent. Question number 11 in exercise number 4.4. The question 10 I will solve you later. Now we are going to learn question number 11. This problem is based on the Savoy's theorem. That's why I am going to take now. The question is: an artist has created a triangular stained glass window and has one strip of small length left. Look at the diagram here. This B of length is left. Now we are going to find its length, and the remaining side lengths are given clearly. Then she needs to figure out the length of left out portion based on the length of the other sides as shown in the given figure. So if these 3 points are these 3 straight lines are concurrent, okay, so you can say this AD, this BE and FC are the same Sapiens. If the Sapiens are concurrent means it must satisfy Sapiens or Savoy's theorem. Savoy's theorem. So, if you take this OE is the bisector. This OE is the bisector means it can be written as AE by EC is equal to OA by OC. OA by OC. If OE is the bisector means we can write OA by angle bisector theorem. The first case AOC, triangle AOC. This OE is the bisector. If OE is a bisector means, according to angle bisector theorem, OA by OC is equal to AE by EC. This is 1. Second, by ABT, triangle COB. Here OD is the bisector. OD is the bisector. By using angle bisector theorem, it can be written as OC by OB equal to CD by DB. This is 2. And third one by ABT. This triangle BOA. Here this OF is the bisector. If OF is the bisector means using angle bisector theorem we can write OB by OA is equal to BF by AF. This is 3. Okay. So now I am going to multiply them. So OA by OC, OA by OC into OC by OB into OB by OA is equal to the right hand side AE by EC into CD by DB into BF by AF. You can cancel this, so we can get 1, which is equal to this result. Here some values are given. Look at the diagram. AE value, EC, BC, BD and FA values are given. This FD we are going to find. Okay. So substitute the values. AE is equal to 3 by EC is equal to 4 into CD equal to 10 by BB equal to 3 into this is unknown BF divided by AF is equal to 5. Cancel this. Here 1 time, 2 time, 2 time, 1 time. This one will be cancelled. If you take this left hand side, you will get the length of BF is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, so the length of BF is equal to 2 centimeter. Example number 4.32, 4.34. These are related to the Sevian theorem. Okay, Savart's theorem. So try to solve that problem. It is given in textbook page number 192 and 193. I have done exercise sums, exercise problem, 2 problems related to this, and I have taught you the theorem without proof. Learn this properly, and next class I will teach you Menon's theorem without proof and related problem. We'll see.